What's up, JB here. Why I post more shorts? Because one has been going on to me today. Two, I post more Filipino singers versus me. And third, I have not upload more videos, more longer videos than the YouTube shorts. So why do I keep making YouTube shorts? Because I want to have more subscribers because I'm stuck at 423 and it keeps on going like one subscriber additional. So yeah, so why do I make YouTube shorts instead of longer videos? YouTube shorts like 3 minutes limit, not 3 minutes longer. Number one, here's the truth, here's the truth. Number one, I keep posting a lot more Filipino singers versus me because when I scroll down YouTube, there's a star maker. Then I have to do this like every time. When I scroll down Facebook, like earlier, I just scroll Facebook, and what I can see is a Korean girl singing just like a Filipino in Korean high school. And I just sing No Sondoma and then so I just delete my YouTube short because it was so cringe. Why do I make this? Because I want to win. Like Luciano Pavarotis, Nelson Doma, and then I'll lalaba Vencero, Vencero, Vencero. That is why. At time I will win, I will win, I will win. Yes, this is why I will win Vencero. So number two is I post more random stuff, like for example Park Shin song. I have to punch. This is not what I'm going to do because it is a cringe. It is a cringe green screen to Park Shin campfire. Next one will be the song again, but this time it will be Golshi Park Shin version. But the effect will the effect I use in the song Golshi 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 is a 10 second or 0.1 second, like 1.0 seconds. When you have to tap at the exact moment when it is 1 second. And I hack the system, guys. So I post random stuff like singing only by Libby or Lehi, thinking that Denise, Maxine, and all other STEM 12 students, that's mine, that's my classmates, also singing well, right? Well, not me because all my classmates are singing well. Like some was singing voice, Riza's lullaby voice, Maxine singing voice, Denise cute singing voice, cringe. And also other singing voice like Sean, Malig, don't have to talk about that. Sean Flo and some other stuff and some other people, including also and John de los Santos. Yes, as one of my classmates, including Yuri. But what about me? I do random stuff. I do sing some random stuff. Not including my classmates, but I sang molto, second to none in Japanese, and also back to friends by Sumber. So that's my three songs. Oh, I also sang Uma Beyond the Inceso. Yes, Uma Musume just joined, you know. And yeah, that's about it. And the second final part, second to the last, is opera. Yes, opera something, but not the opera or the ones with Cesario's opera singing voice is that she had she has a switch like on and off. On being serious, I can't speak. I can't pronounce it correctly. Wow. Cesario's on switch, like opera singing and very serious or say pronounce. And off switch is just cute and adorable Cesario. So that's what the law is. Cesario's on and off switch. And second of all, I want to practice Nosondoma in Italian. It's not a reason why. I can hear video, okay, that's why. Oh, speaking of video, okay, the curfew is at 10 p.m. So literally, if I hear video, okay, that is maglagpas 10 p.m. I'm going to screw you all. Yes, and that's about it, the upper category. And for the last one, why do I not make YouTube longer videos if I have to do some YouTube shorts to make more subscribers? Well, it's because you guys are not watching my longer videos, so very fair. To me, exactly, there's a lot more going on to my YouTube videos that are longer and not entertaining. So yeah, as of recording this video okay at 110 meters away from my house, and I was sitting in the living room once again. Right now it is 9:20 p.m. and sadly enough, I'm not going to do the one either. But right now I'm still going to finish the training career with Shinko Windy, then I'm going to do the rest of all Umas, and I'm going to do this again with the video singers at 10 after the Shinko Windy training career. And I have to practice Rubik's Cube in under 20 seconds or 25 seconds below to see if my professional, like me being an intermediate Rubik's Cube user, safe up. So I'm not going to do this one either. Just like Leo Bomeo, some practice. Chan use the Wu method, yes, and Leo just use the safe up method whatsoever. So on to this video. I know that you guys are not going to watch my longer videos because I cannot proceed with the longer videos after all. Just because I am not going to retire. If you guys predict that I am going to retire or uploading YouTube longer videos, it's really sad. But I have to do with the YouTube shorts instead because I like YouTube shorts. But when I scroll down, there's already a Star Maker ad, so I'm not going to do that one. If I watch YouTube, then there's so many ads. Like for example, my account, yeah, it's been giving more ads. Like at the middle, shows skipping 50 seconds. Not good enough, YouTube. Just think about it once again. Skipping 90 seconds. Yes, that is the best one. Now, I can't forget about one thing, and that is when am I going to upload longer videos like stale. So I'm going to make a 10-minute video on Saturday and Sunday because no, Friday afternoon, Saturday and Sunday, because I want to make you guys feel better about me having for example Rubik's Cube solves, vlog, and also the time that I want to cover this is singing. Yes, that's all I want, my favorite singing. And that is all for today. I hope you like it. If you did, leave a like, subscribe, comment, share, turn on the notification bell if you want for more updates and videos, and we'll see you next time. Also, if you don't comment, okay, that's fine with me, but if you don't subscribe, that's fine with me also. But hope you guys doing well. I will post more YouTube shorts, and we'll see you guys tomorrow, I guess. We'll see you guys tomorrow for more updates and announcements for my video, and keep that in mind because I'm going to live stream at 7 p.m. for the first anniversary of Heaven's Red. And yeah, we'll see you guys on Friday. Good night. Sweet dreams.